Is it worth it? I'm back in Hagerstown looking for my next deal, and this is on Summer Street. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath home. They're asking $200,000. It's been on the market for 175 days, and it is 1,200 square feet. Let's go take a tour of this thing and see, is it worth it? Starting on the outside, we got some rotten wood right there, some chipping paint. Gutters are probably older than me. We got a couple of satellite dishes and another extra pole, so there's 400 holes in the roof. Missing a gutter there. This whole side of the house is bad. We're missing an eave right here, so nothing but just water getting in there. Oh, this is ugly. And this is just shingled siding, which I'd rather have plywood, honestly. But let's keep going. Need some paint on these steps. Well, this one was a big waste of time. I get here and there's no lockbox. The agent isn't answering their phone, and I don't know how to actually get into this thing. So we're just gonna go ahead and cross this one off the list and move on to the next one. Because that one, it ain't worth it. Can you believe this stuff? No lockbox, agent never answered the phone, never even called back. I don't know, have you ever seen this before? This, unfortunately, was not a first for me, but it's pretty bad. The guy never even called back. When I got back in the lab, I pulled up the listing to see if I missed something, and it had expired the day that I showed up. I don't know if the agent just didn't renew the contract with that seller, or the seller didn't renew it with that agent, but either way, some professionalism would have been great, and notified, hey, you can't show this one, or hey, things changed, so you got to show it this way now. I don't know. Drop your comments down below. Let me know your thoughts.